The COVID-19 crisis has provided an opportunity to reflect on a number of important issues. Issues such as the fact that even though we're all faced with the same epidemic, what works in one context may not work in another. What worked in Sweden may not necessarily work in South Africa. The reason for this is due to a number of factors that vary according to different contexts. Factors such as culture and socio-economic circumstances. COVID 19 is thus a lesson to us all that even when confronted with the same problems, the way in which we go about seeking a solution may vary for important reasons. This is something which I suggest is necessary to keep in mind in another circumstance when considering the regulation of novel technologies. One such technology is heritable genome editing, which there has been global discourse on at a global level, with many arguing for a singular global regulation thereof. Often, these proposals for regulations fail to take into account the fact that there are these context specific factors which may justify a singular country, for example, taking a more permissive approach to how it regulates the use of heritable genome editing technologies, and another country not taking as permissive an approach. The presence of these varying contextual factors has been something of a material oversight in the global discourse on heritable genome editing that absolutely needs to be addressed. Because, as the COVID 19 crisis has shown us, each country needs to have the flexibility to formulate policy in responding to an issue that is in the public interest that best fits within its own context.